Among all the possibilities offered by the digital world, one of the most useful is to have the advantage of downloading applications to watch national and international television broadcasts. And why not talk specifically about football? Nowadays, watching football on mobile phones and tablets is something possible. Moviestar Plus. In this streaming platform, in addition to offering series and movies, it also offers streaming to watch all the matches of the Spanish League, the Champions League, and English, German, Italian, Dutch, Argentine, and Brazilian leagues. To download it, you must be a Movistar customer and obviously have the Liga or sports package contracted. Teager Sports. It has free content for all users in the country that have smartphones, regardless of which operator they belong to, which allows them to follow the tournaments through news and statistics updated in real time. Win Sports. It is a Colombian sports channel which broadcasts the different professional football tournaments and analysis, debate, variety and news programs related to various sports disciplines. Users can enjoy the live signal all day and watch content from games and programs according to the plan purchased. Ustream is another application with which you can watch football online on your Android smartphone or tablet. It also has video content and allows you to follow links that take you to watch any game. Play. Considered one of the most recommended to watch football and other sports content, it is a media player which has support for several video formats hosted on remote servers. That is, you must add the URL in order to enjoy the best content from your mobile device. Live football. This application allows you to activate the alerts of the best plays so you don't miss any of the goals. In addition, it gives you real-time results, complete ladders of all championships, fixtures and match statistics.